So hey friends, my friend Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, is doing a little series right now, a question and answer series, and he has asked people to put little videos out and ask questions, and then he'll answer them on his video. So I've always wanted to ask him this question. Now's my chance. So if you want to see what the answer is, go check out his channel, Nomadic Fanatic, and subscribe if you're not already. It's one of the best YouTube channels out there. So anyway, here's my question. Hey Eric and Jax, it's Lola from Lost on Land again. Eric, I've always thought you were one of the hardest working YouTubers out there, and I've often wondered how many hours a week would you say you put into your YouTube channel? Now that includes the time that you spend researching and planning, filming, editing, uploading, doing all the thumbnails, answering comments, charging all your devices, and keeping everything going to make the magic happen. If I was to guess, I'd say somewhere around 80 hours a week. Am I close? Give Jax a pat for me, and y'all take care.